Happy Friday, guys. Love the weekend. Me and Jay are going off to Coventry now to pick up my sister so we can spend the day together tomorrow. We need to plan some things and work on some stuff for like business and all that kind of jazz. So we've got some things planned as girlies, busy girlies. We might as well pick up our favorite takeaway, which is Chinese kitchen. It's currently 5 a.m. Why am I awake at this time? I have no idea. I look a mess. I'm scared. I'm gonna drink my coffee so I can feel a bit more awake and conquer the day. Thank you very much. Girl, I was like, this girl. That's what we. I'm like, this one is nice too. What you like? You back, mommy? Have a whole one. Yeah. Check that deodorant, face shit. I had fun today, and I'm just gonna go to bed now. There we go.